In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert vertical text in Microsoft Word. Vertical text is great for titles along the side of a page, spine labels, posters, or any layout where you want letters stacked for emphasis. We'll use WordArt because it keeps your text editable and gives you quick style controls, while still letting you place it exactly where you want. Start by opening your document and looking to the ribbon at the top of Word. Click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools for adding elements like pictures, shapes, and, in our case, word art. You'll find word art in the text group. Go ahead and click it. A gallery of styles will appear. Pick any design you like. You can always change colors and outlines later, so a simple, clean option is a good place to start. Word will drop a word art text box onto your page with placeholder text. Click inside that box, select the placeholder, and type or paste your own text. Short words or compact phrases tend to stack most cleanly, but you can use longer text too. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can change the font, size, and color right away using the Home tab or the WordArt format options. Now let's turn that text vertical by stacking each letter on its own line. Click the WordArt box to select it, then grab the right edge and drag it inward to make the box narrow. As you shrink the width, Word automatically wraps the text. Keep narrowing until only one character fits per line, so the letters form a clean vertical column. If your text breaks awkwardly, place your cursor between letters and press Shift-Enter to insert manual line breaks without creating extra paragraph spacing. That gives you precise control over where each letter falls. With the stack in place, fine-tune the position by dragging the box to where you want it on the page. If you prefer the word to read from bottom to top or top to bottom along a margin, use the rotation handle above the box to spin it to the orientation you like. Center alignment inside the box often looks best for vertical text. You can also tweak line spacing on the Home tab to tighten or open the gaps between letters and adjust the font size so the full stack fits your layout neatly. That's all there is to it. Insert, WordArt, choose a style and add your text, then narrow and position the box until each letter sits on its own line in a clean vertical column. Save your document, and you're done.